Introducing the world's smallest aseptic connector, the MicroCNX Nano Series connectors, a product that expands CPC's portfolio of aseptic connectors for cell and gene therapy biomanufacturing. The MicroCNX Nano allows users to easily click together the connector halves to create a sterile flow path. Additionally, the small size allows for a direct fit into all freeze cassettes used in cell and gene therapy product cryopreservation. The connectors can be frozen to vaporized liquid nitrogen, or between -150 and -190 degrees Celsius, which supports cell viability during storage and transport. The MicroCNX Nano termination and flow path is made from polyphenol sulfone, or PPSU, a high-performance polymer that is chemically compatible with harsh chemicals used in cryopreservation, like dimethyl sulfoxide, or DMSO. Cell and gene therapy manufacturers rely on 1/8 inch and 1/16 inch flow paths to move cells efficiently with minimal turbulence and to help reduce holdup volume. The MicroCNX Nano size and connection method are critical to meeting these goals. Tube welding, by comparison, requires extra tubing on either side of the weld, which is a source of holdup volume. Like previously released MicroCNX products, the MicroCNX Nano Series is compatible with a variety of tubing types, including silicone, TPE, and PVC, most commonly used in developing advanced therapies. Contact CPC to learn how cell and gene therapy labs are successfully adopting the MicroCNX connectors.